3.111 wants us to distinguish, and you all remember what distinguish means. Distinguish means to tell the difference. So what is the difference between an essential amino acid and a non-essential amino acid? Well, first of all, they're both important. Okay, so amino acids are going to form all the proteins that we use in our body. So I think the ones that you're probably most familiar with, like proteins make muscle, right? But also they make up neurotransmitters. So they're sending signals to other neurons to relay messages, right? They make up hormones, very important for regulating homeostasis, also sending chemical messages through our blood. Proteins make up enzymes. So enzymes are these molecules that either build or break down molecules, build them up or break them down into smaller pieces. Proteins can be found on the surface of our membranes to allow things in and out. So they have all these different roles. So amino acids are all part of those and they're all essential, right? However, we are able to build some of these amino acids inside our own body. Like we can make them. And the ones we can build, like we can make, are called non-essential. And there's some that we cannot make. And the ones we cannot make are called essential. And if we cannot make them, well, then how do you get them? And we get them by consuming them. We need to include them in our diet in order to get these amino acids. Now, sometimes it's not just simply we can't make them, we just can't make them in enough quantity for us to satisfy like our daily recommendation and be healthy, right, in order to function. So sometimes we just make them in amounts that are just too small. I don't believe I am an SCHS rookie, so I don't know all the rules, and I will find out for you. I don't believe you need to memorize the essential and the non-essential amino acids. That seems crazy. Yeah, I've never heard of an IB course asking you just to remember stuff, a list of things. So this is just, I think, informational. But here's some essential amino acids. These are ones that you would have to include in your diet. And of course, we know that you can get protein amino acids from definitely eating different types of fish, eggs for sure, also in dairy products like milk and butter. So in order to get these, you would have to consume them. And the list of non-essential, the ones we're able to make, which is kind of pretty cool, are these down here. And I really don't know how your body makes them. And I should. I'm a biology teacher. Sorry. So yeah, that's it for proteins. Not a whole lot. You need to know what proteins are made of: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. You need to know how to draw an amino acid. So amino acid is that building block of proteins. And then not list the essential and the non-essential, but simply what is the difference? And the difference is non-essential, your body can make them. Essential, your body can't make them, or they can't make them in enough quantity, so you need to eat them.